Okay. Okay, got you. Mama gotta work. Mama gotta work. Okay, Scotch. Come on. Be a good boy. Come on, sit. Scotch, you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we discuss on how to improve our English communication skills, I would like to discuss why you need to improve your communication skills. The job may seem very fashionable, and it is true, but there is also a not so fashionable side to the job, and it is only managed by the great communication skills that every cabin crew has. So if you really want to land this job and live your dream, you really need to work on this skill, because be it in India or be it in any other international airline, the primary language of communication is English. So if you really want to land this job, then please continue watching the video and I'll tell you how you should improve your English communication skills. English communication skills, and it's not rocket science. You just need patience and a little dedication and time to it. So you can do it by expanding your vocabulary. How? Make it a point to learn 5 new words every day. You can log on to www.vocabulary.com and you can learn the words as well as the meanings. Memorize it and try to implement it or use it in your everyday sentences or everyday conversations. Then it becomes a habit for you, and then it's not a conscious effort. It is flawless and it's effortless for you to use new words, and it just makes your language more flowery and more presentable. Alternatively, a fun way to learn and expand your vocabulary is listening to audiobooks or read a part of a newspaper, English newspaper every day. It will definitely expand your vocabulary. You will be ending up learning new words. Then you can also see English movies or binge on Netflix and see English serials or series with subtitles on. If you are not into English series, then definitely you should try this, because a lot of people that I know personally have improved their vocabulary and English speaking skills through watching English movies and the subtitles in the bottom of the screen. So that really helps you. If you don't understand some sentence because of the accent, then you can definitely go ahead and pause and learn new words every time you watch a new series in English. Start thinking in English. If you have a habit of thinking in your native or regional language, then probably this is one of the reasons why you haven't been able to express yourself fluently or effortlessly in English. You need to start doing this, and I'll tell you how. Take a journal or a diary and write down your thoughts and ideas in it every day and maintain it. It will not only help you to start thinking in English, but it will also help you to improve your English further. It does not need to be perfect, but you definitely need to be consistent with this habit, and I'm sure it's going to help you. This is a no-brainer, but I still want to mention it. Speak in English as much as you can. I know it's difficult and we'll voluntarily start speaking in our native or regional language, but if you really want to land this job and improve your English skills, then you need to speak in English as much as you can. It will make you effortless and you can speak just like this. Our generation cannot stay away from phones, and if you are in the process of improving your English communication skills, then downloading apps is one of the fun ways that you can adopt. So there are so many apps available on Google Play Store and iOS App Store, which you can download and improve your English communication skills. So that's it that I have for you today. I hope I've been able to help you, and if you like my video, then don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Most of you just see my videos and don't subscribe. Please don't do that. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and send me your questions so that I can make more videos based on your questions. That's it for now. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.